Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys are doing good. Happy Diwali to each and every one of you. I know I've not been active. I was away for a month for doing a yoga course, a teacher training course, and that is why I was not available, but I'm back at home and I thought why not to get started with the reading. But before I begin, a little bit backstory for today's video particularly. So this video is a very intuitive pull that happened to me. So from the last 1.5 month, whatever readings I've been doing in my own personal consultation, one-to-one consultation, one theme that has been repeating in everyone is sudden endings with a very difficult like situation. Things are going at a very volcanic position, like everything is erupting, extremities पे सारी चीजें चल रही है, बहुत ही चीजें गर्म हो गई है और वो एक्सट्रीम पे आ गई है कि अब लोग सह नहीं सकते, चीज़ों को देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. सो पीपल आर नाउ चूजिंग देमसेल्व्स, पीपल आर चूजिंग देयर फ्रीडम, people are choosing something better. In fact, universe is also showing you now that it's enough is enough. This is something that constantly I was been picking up intuitively from last 3-4 months, but it didn't manifested itself in the 3D reality. But now from last 1 month, whatever readings I've done, whether it's situation with friendships, relationships, romantic relationships, disputes at family matters, property matters, marital relationship, everywhere one thing I'm seeing is that people want freedom. People do not want to be in situations that do not anymore align with them. They are becoming more highly sensitive towards the energy. They are understanding that this is it. So that वो limit आ रही है collective में हर एक जन की, कोई भी situation में आप ले लो. ये चीज़ मैंने मेरे घर पे देखी है. This is something that I really experienced it at a very minute level at my home. And that is when I was like, this is something that we need to think about. We need to talk to the collective. And if you are the collective, and if you know somebody, or if you are one of those who's experiencing this, hence today I'm coming here. If you have any situation in your life जहाँ पे बहुत ही extremes हो गई, चीज़ें बहुत ही खराब होने लगी है, एकदम sudden decisions ले रहे हैं, this is the video for all of you guys. It's a timeless reading, but if you're watching right now, then great. Let me know in the comments section. There are going to be two different piles. Today I've already intuitively chosen two different candles for the reading. Okay, the yellow candle is pile number 1, the red candle is pile number 2. You can intuitively take a moment and just choose which pile calls to you, and I'll be starting with pile number 1. Okay, pile number 1 is the yellow candle. I have already picked out the cards. One card that flipped itself was the death card. Okay, so when I look at the death itself, it tells me that this is the moment specifically where things are ending, things are not going to be making sense. You will need to take your power back. Is the mic working? Yeah, I got scared. Yeah, you will need to take your power back. You cannot hold anymore yourself or others. If there is a control dynamic, if you are in a controlling dynamic, understand that you need to let loose the control. The death card here tells me that it's time. You know, it's a saying that we often say, when it's time, it's time. That's it. When it's time, it's time. Nobody can control it. You do not have things in your control. That's when you understand that so many things in our life is not in our hands. It's destined. But yes, there are situations, there are holes where हमें life देती है choices और हमें अच्छी चीजें choose करनी है so that we can better ourselves. But we cannot completely drastically change things. Okay, to a certain level, yes, we have that free will, but not more than that. I don't know why I'm talking about free will from the death card, but whatever is coming in intuitively, we're just sending in the guidance to everyone through the video. One more thing I want to tell you, the collective, these endings were overdue. Okay, आप इसको कितनी भी कोशिश करते वो होने ही वाला था, बट अब वक्त आ गया है बिकॉज चीजें अब एंड होनी जरूरी है. Constantly, the only energy that I'm getting is that these endings are leading to freedom. Okay, these endings are leading towards your self esteem getting boost, your confidence getting boost, you coming into your power. There is a huge karmic cycle of you repeating this thing for years and years and years, but now you are choosing yourself over everything. And I am seeing that in my home, I'm seeing that in my readings, and I really want you to see that even if ये situation इतना difficult लग रहा है, अगर आप एक एक सिचुएशन को हम दो तरीके से देखते हैं. एक सिचुएशन है कि चीजें सही नहीं चल रही है, सडन थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग, हाउ कैन वी डू इट, व्हाट कैन यू, यस दैट इज वन वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट थिंग्स. अनदर पर्सपेक्टिव इज दैट I'm glad it's ending so that now we have the free will or freedom to choose what makes us happy, which gives us peace. Okay, and I know it's very difficult, but choose. Change the way you look at things, change the way you feel about things, change the way you look at the patterns, your habits, your perspective towards things. जब जहाँ पर वहाँ पर चेंज आ जाएगा ना, चीज़ें बहुत सुलझने लगेंगी, बिकॉज आप लाइट फील करना शुरू करोगे, और जब आप लाइट फील करना शुरू करोगे, आपको सोल्यूशंस ऑटोमेटिकली आएंगे कि मुझे कैसे, कौन से डायरेक्शन में कैसे आगे बढ़ना है, राइट. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग फॉर द कलेक्टिव. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स इन. Everything was on standstill. Am I right? Pile number one, everything. When I say everything, I meant your relationships, your family space, your happiness, your money. हर एक चीज़ रुकी हुई थी आपके लाइफ में, राइट. बट अब जब आप ये डिसीजन लोगे, आप खुद को ये सिचुएशन से निकालोगे, आपको भी पता है कि चीज़ें बहुत ही सही होने वाली है. Yes, it might take time, but what I'm saying is that it will take max to max 6 to 7 months for things to get settled. So for example, let's take an example that you're moving out, okay? You're planning to get out of your own home and you want to start something new. For the initial 7 months, it's going to be a little bit tiring, a little bit struggling. You will take time because it will take time for you to, it's a new space, it's a new energy, it's a new way of living, new way of feeling, new way of doing things, how many responsibilities you have to take. It's going to be a little bit emotionally and specifically emotionally taxing, right? Because we're already so much, हम वही routine में रह रहे हैं, वही structure में रह रहे हैं, और suddenly वो change आ रहा है. But this change is really necessary. This will take around 7 months to get settled, but after that, I'm seeing things becoming as smooth as one. You guys, in your life, there was literal pause, okay? And when I mean pause, pause to your happiness, pause to your, the way you feel with your parents, the way you feel when you're around your family members, the way you feel when you're around your friends, the way you feel in the connections that you're in. You were literally feeling numb, you were not feeling things, you were intellectualizing things. बिकॉज एक चीज़ बन गई है कि हम बहुत ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन है, हम बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबल चाइल्ड है, स्टूडेंट है, हमें चीज़ें संभालनी है. सो वी वर ट्रिस्ट, संभाल रहे थे हम, सिर्फ हम एंजॉय ही नहीं कर रहे थे लाइफ को, और ये चीज़ was going on and on and on and on, exhausting yourself. And now, when you put an end to this, which you will, I'm seeing a very drastic energy whenever you watch this. It will be just in 3 to 4 days or max to max a month. Massive change, bigger decisions of your life, huge. Getting out, changing the job, changing the country, leaving a person, finding a new person, settling down, huge. But I'll also give you signs before going, that which are the signs that will actually tell you that ये चीज़ हो रही है तुम्हारे लिए और तुम्हें आगे बढ़ना ही direction, है ना? Now, what will happen once you do this? Your finances, your financial growth, you also feeling yourself. I'm constantly being shown you. So ये एनर्जी बाहर की चीज़ें तो ठीक कर ही देगी, बट ये बहुत इंटरनल फोकस्ड है. अगर आप अंदर से खुश हो, अगर आप अंदर से अलाइंड हो, चीज़ें बाहर ऑटोमेटिकली सॉर्ट हो जाती है, हमें ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती. यू नो, यू डोंट हैव टू डू सो मच ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. बट हियर इन दिस सिचुएशन, internally so much was going on that any which ways you didn't have the energy for things externally to handle. So things were not going in the right directions. Things were becoming more draining, more burnout, more pain, more chaos. You are healing your Mooladhara chakra. Okay, Mooladhara chakra, Swadhishthanam chakra, which is sacral chakra, the second chakra from above, and your throat chakra. You are good at intellectualizing things, but you're not good at speaking your emotions. And that is why your Swadhisthana chakra and your throat chakra are going to get aligned, and you're going to understand how to express your emotions, how to speak your emotions, how to be honest with yourself. and just accept the fact that yes, right now I'm feeling these things. Yes, I want to change these things. Maybe this is what I'm looking forward to right now in my personal life, whatever it might be. Okay, it will be different for different people, but energetically, whatever I'm getting, I'm just sharing with everyone. Your root chakra is getting, I won't say activated, but healed. It was working right now from a very toxic space, from a very survival space, that I have to do this, I have to do that. Performance wala pressure, responsibility wala pressure. Internally, you don't want to do it. You know that. You're tired. You're done. But now that change is happening, and now whatever actions you'll be taking, it will come from a space of yes, I want to do this. Yes, I'm interested. Yes, I'm excited. Yes, this makes me really, really happy. Yes, this gives me peace. Yes, overall, I am in for it because I feel it. Yeah, I feel it was not there from last few years, 3 4 years. It was just piling up, piling up, piling up, piling up, pain, responsibilities, everything. And now the floodgates of emotions, floodgates of truth are going to just open up for you guys. That's when you'll realize. So see, this will happen when you start expressing about your emotions. This change will happen. इसमें सबसे बड़ा learning आपका ये रहेगा कि आपको emotionally खुद को express करना है, आपको बताना है, आपको जताना है. Okay, you are a silent person. You are a silent person. I can tell that very clearly. मतलब you will not speak until it's the बहुत बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, very much require, otherwise you won't be one of those who just go around and express themselves. No. So pile number one, I'm seeing during this time, okay, two things. During this time, either you're officially moving, changing a place. For some of you, this is any form of relationship, connection, family situation that you're walking away from. It's just giving you pain and left you emotionally, mentally drained, which led to physically also getting tired in the situation that you're in. In this period, I'm also seeing that your friends, your soul family, people whom you're close to, whom you can completely open your heart and just express yourself, they're going to be there with you throughout this period. So you can go and check on them, connect with them, they'll be there. Okay? Yeah, that is one thing that you can do in order to just lighten up yourself in the situation that you're in for pile number one. Okay. One more advice is it's important for you to figure out what makes you happy. Take your time. Take your time because it's like everything is given to you. Whatever you ask, you do your hard work, you get it. But still, at the end of the day, you feel emotionally very disturbed. You feel emotionally not connected. You feel still confused. So it's important for you to go a little bit more deeper with your practices, with your meditation, being with your own self, developing practices like journaling, self awareness, reading some self help books, some way through which you connect with your own self. It could be music, it could be just being around with children, it could be as simple as just gardening, any form, right? Choose a method, choose a medium to connect with yourself because emotionally you need to get it clear what makes you happy, what you want to do. Once that is done, it will become much more easier. That is one thing that's still repeating, and you need to understand that and develop that self. You actually know what you want, but when it comes to action, when it comes to risk, when it comes to that fire, energy, intensity that needs to come, that's when you are actually backing off. Yeah. Then you start, see, once you feel it, you take an action. Okay, once you feel it, you don't go towards intellectualizing things. Intellectualizing things have to happen before. Intellectualize, feel, and then take an action. Don't intellectualize, feel, and intellectualize. you're not doing anything about it. It's like universe will give you an opportunity, it will bring you a person, and you're just thinking about it. You're not taking an action. You need to go and express themselves like, hey, listen, I really enjoy your space here. I really enjoy this. I want to do that. Whatever it is, engage. At the end of the day, connect, right? In advice, I've got Ace of Wands and the Magician, tarot card readers, healers, everybody who's into this stream, they know what I'm talking about. You guys just need to build up healthy fire, healthy Agni. What do I mean by healthy Agni, healthy fire? What is your relationship with intensity? What is your relationship with taking a risk? What is your relationship with your action taking ability? How do you do that? When do you do that? How often do you do that? How often you do it for yourself? How often do you do it for people around you? Ask these self understanding questions, self awareness questions, to understand how does your mind, body, soul work. What is it? What is that parameter for it? Okay, what makes you passionate enough to take action? Is it a desire? Is it a dream? Is it a goal? Or it's constant chaos? Or it's constant fights, conflicts that lead you towards taking an action? That is an example of a healthy and an unhealthy fire within us. So just introspect about it. Do a little bit of swadhyay self-study in the situation to understand which place are you coming in. But I'm gonna say one more thing. Whatever you decide, do it. It's gonna work in your favor. I need to say one more thing. You don't need to do so much now in this phase because you've done your bit and now universe is going to help you to align things for itself. But आपको बस एक दो जगह पे स्टेप लेना है, इनिशिएट करना है, वो रिस्क लेना है, चीज़ें अपने आप सेटल हो जाएगी. इट्स लाइक अ जिक्सॉ पजल इज देयर. You just have to put one of your puzzle piece, others will automatically make itself come in. I know it's a little bit sounding like magic, but it's all about energy. At the end of the day, you've done your work. So any which ways it had to come. And this is coming in this way. How will it come? It will come from your energy, your health getting better, opportunities coming your own way, you feeling more energetic, you actually connecting with your own self and understanding that what are the next actions you want to take in order to build your work, in order to build your security, safety. So yeah, means of eating habits, lifestyle, means of making money, your home, your security, all of that is changing. Hence, root chakra, right? We need to increase solar plexus chakra. What is solar plexus chakra energy? It's about strength. It's about courage. It's about willpower. You can start functioning. Okay, very simple thing. Include Brahmari pranayam, Kapalbhati pranayam to increase the solar plexus chakra. But if you want to deeply understand this, then you will have to join the classes in order to get an understanding of how you can work with your body. But yeah, in your daily life, just start taking risk at a very smaller level on a weekly basis and hold someone accountable in order to develop that strength to go ahead into your life. I don't know how many people will be able to do it, how many people can do it, but this is the most simplest thing where you can start doing it in order to bring in this energy. Yeah. Short travel is also coming in for pile number one. Yeah, that's the read. That's the read. Now I'm not able to say much. Yeah, I know it went a little more detailed one, but whatever had to come, it did. You can let me know in the comment section how did it resonate with you, and I hope it gave some light to your situation. It helped you to come out of the darkness, confusion, not feeling good, understanding what is happening with you, getting your answers so that you go ahead in a much more healthier, better space that you're in, right? We'll start with pile number two, who have chosen the red candle. Let's see in your life. What is this volcanic eruption happening and what you need to know about it. Trees will be important, green color will be important. You might have Mercury, very prominent placement in your birth chart. Uttar Bhadrapada Nakshatra will be very important. Purnavasi will be very important. Goggles, specs, seventh house will be important for you guys for pile number 2. What's happening? What is this volcanic eruption? Yeah. You're breaking free from a situation which was very toxic, which was not built on honesty, which was not built on truth. There is deception here in this situation. Okay, wait. Let me just get a little deeper to understand what is this. Somebody played with you. Somebody played with your emotions. Somebody played with your. I'll describe the person as well. Wait. Who is this person for pile number 2? Workplace. Some it could be a relationship, otherwise it's related to somebody who is helping you in your character building, personality building, giving you a lot of information about work, career, finances, colleague, boss. But he is very work oriented person. He will put himself very shunny oriented person. He'll just put himself into 8 hours, 10 hours of work. Work will be the most important thing. Around his work is how he designs his life. Would be a Taurus or Capricorn. This is the but person is very stressed in his personal life. Professionally, he's very good. He's very well. He or she, please don't take it how it resonates. I'm just seeing a gender, so I'm saying that. But take it how it resonates. It's a collective reading. Okay. Let's just get clear about it a little bit more. What do they need to know? You need to know that you should be very happy and glad that you came out of this situation. It was any which ways not helping and it was deteriorating your energy. It was deteriorating your energy, it was not helping you grow. It could be a childhood person as well, that you've known this person from a younger age, because I'm getting the intuitively to be or to second me or something. So class, so classes, college, you could have known this person from that age as well. Okay, this situation is a little bit toxic because this person was playing with your emotions, this person was playing with your weaknesses, this person already understood what are the things that you do not have, or what are the things that you want, or what are the things that make you feel really really low. And once this person saw that, that's when they put themselves into it and started giving you. And when they started giving you, you really enjoyed it, you really felt good. But suddenly you understood that there is no equal give and take, and you started feeling very emotionally disturbed, emotionally unknown, You felt like the cup is not getting filled at the end of the day. See, this person has the habit of giving themselves completely in the situation, but when it comes to, I'm sorry, taking things, taking situations, taking emotions from the people, it's ulta. Taking these emotions from people around them, but when it comes their turn, they will officially run away. Officially run away. And that's how it shook you. It shook you. I've become really silent. If you see me in pile number one, I was like hyping, and here I'm like silent. So you can see the energetic difference. It literally is like it just you started contemplating about things, you started understanding, and you started thinking a lot that why this is happening and all of those things, right? I am removing left, right, center cards just to get understand the person and what happened, because it's not coming in just 3 4 cards. This person had a thing in their mind that they would want to approach you a bit later, not right now, but a bit later for a relationship or a connection. They were taking their time, they were not leveling up, they were not bossing up, they were not doing what needs to be done in a situation. And now, when the time is coming, they're still scared. They're really scared to be in that authoritative position or give what you ask, basically. And they do not have it in themselves to give what you want. And they know what you deserve, they know your value. At the end of the day, they know that very well. They were keeping you as an asset, that this is a good kind of personality, this person has a lot within themselves, and i I shall keep it. You never know what you get. A little bit of use and throw energy, but not so much use and throw, but a little bit use wali energy aa rahi hai from this person. And this person doesn't mean it's only a relationship aspect or a romantic relationship. It could be any situation for that matter. You can take it in your particular situation. I've already explained you what it is all about, right? So this person left you. This person left things unknown, unseen, and you do not know anything about it and how to go about it in this situation. It made you feel really, really alone, abandoned, triggered, neglected. You also do not understand how to go about it, going ahead in this situation, in this area. It also left you mentally very stressed, which I get it for sure. Now, what to do about it, right? One thing universe is saying, that start healing your inner child, okay? Because the moment you start healing your inner child, you'll understand that from what space you are functioning from. Okay, why did you attract this kind of a person? Why did you even accept it when somehow you had already felt a nudge initially once or twice that this is not something that I would want to put myself into, but you were like, nothing is there, it's okay, let me give it a shot, I enjoy this, it's something really different, I've not had something for a while, if at least this one thing is coming in, I'm okay with it. AC energy of this situation. So once you fool yourself, there was a void, there was something that you didn't got and you were getting from this person. But when you start giving it to yourself, you'll understand that this is not what you would want to settle for in any form of work relationship. This person is really, really manipulative. He knows, he has a knack of words. He has a knack of words. Yeah. It could be a female as well. Okay. Now you need to understand that this is done, and this had to be done because it was depleting your energy, it was creating blockages in your career space, it was not allowing opportunities to come your way, it was not allowing you to grow, it was not keeping you stable, it was keeping you in a la la land, in a fantasy land where you didn't know how to go about it. Okay. It's like the person had a good amount of time, but the person didn't level up. And how long are you going to be waiting, right? Universe is not expecting, and nobody expects you to wait. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you walk your path, you do your job, you do your purpose, and you're done, right? Emphasis is on increasing your self esteem, increasing your confidence, seeing your power. Ask yourself this question of why did you get excited when this thing came into your life? What made it exciting for you? What did it felt like? Why did it feel like? Why were you not feeling all those feelings before? When did you shut feeling those feelings? And why were you giving your emotional self so much in the situation that you were left unhappy? You were not given the equal give and take. And you manifested this person so you understand to end this cycle so that you don't give so much in this situation going ahead. And we have got the Fool and the Queen of Cups. Look at my hair. Emotional regulation in, okay. See, it did open up things. It did open up things. Oh my god. I know this kind of a situation in my own life, but yeah. But this is a little toxic in nature, controlling, having power over. It's like a little bit like that. But it's improving your relationship with yourself, it's improving your relationship with your emotions, it's improving your relationship with whom you feel, what you feel, how you look at emotions, how you express yourself. And the advice for you in this situation is do not wait for this person anymore. If they don't level up or come to your level, don't even downgrade yourself or don't even go to that their level. You've done that, not required now, because this needs to the cycle needs to end, and it's ending. It's ending in like six 6 weeks max to max. Yeah, it's very fast. Now understand one thing, they wanted something, they got it. Okay, now you need to understand which directions in your career. Now is the time to level up in your career. Now is the time to focus on your career. What are the areas, how you want to take risk, how you want to go about it, how you want to expand, where you want to put your foot, how can you make new collaborations, new connections, new networking for your career. Now is the time to level up in your career and expansion. Not the time right now to connect with the person. The person will still approach, I'm seeing that. You can only tell, you can just be very easy and just tell them that, hey, listen, I'm really busy, I have these goals, this work is on the table, I do not have time to entertain. You can give work as a reason to just get out yourself out of communication situation, whatever you would like to call that. And do more of savings, do more of investments. Savings not just in the form of finances, but in your energy. Understand whom to give, whom not to give. You are meant to walk away from this situation and build a fresh new connect with yourself emotionally. You understanding how to regulate your emotions, feel emotions and all, but you've stopped yourself for a very long time and now you're opening those floodgates for yourself. So, a connection basically ending with someone. And it's meant to end because it's any which way is not going to be able to give you what you want, because you've changed, you've leveled up. You know those reels, मर्द ऐसे ही होते हैं, girls coming in together talking about men and how men are. It's that kind of an energy that I'm getting for some reason. Okay, just a second. Okay, if you take your power back in this situation and you take your time, be with yourself alone, not entertain them for a while, they'll come correct. For most of you, they'll come correct. They'll give you what you deserve in this connection. And I'm seeing some apology coming in as well. Um, yeah, somebody will write a letter, somebody will give a big passage or expression. 100% that's happening. You need to retreat yourself from the situation. You need to take a step back for sure. One more thing I'm getting in, that it doesn't mean that you have to shut yourself emotionally completely. No, it means that you should see and navigate situation and understand that if you're not getting that equal, there and there stop and wait for that equal give and take to come in. But be yourself. Be the way you are. Be the way you are. Look at things the way you are. Don't change yourself. Don't hurt yourself, because this is not here to hurt yourself. This is here to open up yourself more emotionally. Yeah. But you know what the problem is? What's the tragedy in this situation? When you'll be done with it, that's when the person will come. So it's not happening. So yeah. That's the reading. Look at the cards that I have for you guys. Pile number 2 at least. Go watch some good movies. Pile number 2. Movies is important. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. But yeah, that's the reading for people who've chosen the red candle. I hope it connected with you guys. I hope it reached you, it connected you wherever it had to. And I know it's a little longer reading, but volcanoes are erupting, things are happening, and I am at your rescue, and I'm here to give you the guidance that you need at this point. Let's go! Good times are coming in. I will let you know later. But yeah, have a good day. Take care of yourselves, and yeah, show some love. Follow me on Instagram on my both accounts, and take care of yourselves and your family. Please be safe. I know things are really drastically changing, but why not you guys just let me know in the comment section if any particular topics you want me to make videos on, and I'll do that, right? Yeah, thank you. I don't know how to end it, yeah. I need to learn this thing. But any which ways, have a good day, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.